Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories are: Subhash Shirodkar urges the youth to stand against social problems including ragging. A team of Youth Congress to keep a close vigil on ragging in the state. It's Mamta Express full of bonanza for common men. No fare hike in rail budget. 67 new trains, non-stop trains for the first time in India. New Goa-Ernakulam train on tracks soon. Rains disrupt normal life. 15 centimeters rain in 2 days. Church opposes homosexuality. Activists welcome High Court decision. And Sargaonkar boosts squad with multiple player signings and American coach. Now the news in detail. Kaleidoscope and Mandovi Parivar in association with Goa Pradesh Youth Congress released a documentary film on ragging at Marquines Palace on Friday. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar urged the youth to create an awareness on other social issues including ragging. Sankal Amonkar announced that a team of Goa Youth Congress will keep a close watch on ragging activities in every college in the state.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar, President for Youth Congress Sankalp Amonkar, President of Mandovi Parivar Pratima Kutino, Director of Information Minino Perez, documentary producer Janardhan Bhandari and others were present for the function. Sankalp Amonkar said that they have taken ragging as a social menace. He elaborated on his plans to stop ragging.
A documentary film घेऊन आम्ही each and every collegein आम्ही तेंचेकडे पावतले तशेंच प्रोफेशनल कॉलेजीन इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजीन बाकीचे डेंटल कॉलेजीन ही जी आमची कॉलेजीस आसा थंयसर सुद्दां आमी फिल्म्स आमी मुद्दाम मारून तांकां दाखयतले. तेच बरोबर गोवा प्रदेश यूथ काँग्रेसीच्या बॅनराच्या अंडर एवरी कॉलेजीन आमी एक 10 भुरगे आमी अंडर यूथ काँग्रेसीच्या अंडर आयडेंटिफाय करतले आणि एक एंटी रॅगिंग स्क्वॉड म्हणून आमी एक तयार करतलो आणि ईच एंड एवरी कॉलेजीन हो आमचो यूथ काँग्रेसीच्या बॅनराच्या अंडर एक एंटी रॅगिंग स्क्वॉड आसतलो जो त्या कॉलेजीन लक्ष दवरतलो बाबा हे रॅगिंग तेंच्या कॉलेजीन जायना म्हणून.
Subhash Shirodkar asserted that only youth of the state can come strong against social issues.
And it becomes our bounden duty, whatever position we may enjoy, whatever lifestyle we may walk in, but it becomes a bounden duty of each and every single Goan that yes, all these rich, I would say heritage, rich ethos of life, all these rich ethos of life, we protect. It is not just ragging. I was just thinking of and then jotted down. Child abuse is another I would say social evil, which is also to be adhered to. Drug trafficking is another issue, which again we should be addressed. Gambling, these are the, I would say various issues, social evils, which I think you as a youth, particularly I would request and make an appeal and humble submission that it is only youth and youths who can address all these issues for a better society in the state of Goa.
Now let's have a look at the documentary film.
बेटा कपड़े निकाल, समझाना पड़ता है उसको. ये देखो सलमान खान आ गया. पैंट भी निकाल. नो प्लीज. अरे प्लीज क्या प्लीज. बंद कर. फटाफट निकाल पैंट. क्या जल्दी निकाल फटाफट. ला इधर. ए निकालना उसका. जल्दी ला इधर. चल. बाप से सामान मारा था. हाँ? अरे बाप से सामान मारा
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
Union Railway Minister Mamta Banerjee presented Railway Budget 2009. Banerjee presented a passenger-friendly budget. Banerjee proposed to introduce new travelling fare for low-income earners under the scheme called as Izzat. Mamta Banerjee made a historic announcement of launching non-stop and super-fast trains for various destinations across India. Important thing is, there is no fare hike this year.
Union Railway Minister Mamta Banerjee presented the Railway Budget 2009 with an attempt to cater almost all sections of the society. Banerjee's budget initiated improvement in passengers' amenities, safety measures and security aspects. As per the rail budget, other facilitation in railway services includes availability of tickets in post office, 67 new trains, commandos including female commandos at the sensitive railway stations, anti-collision device operational in all trains. Minister stated that public sector units of Central Railways has earned a net profit of rupees 1950 crores. She introduced Kisan Vikas scheme encouraging them to store, preserve and carry perishable products by farmers from one place to another. She declared 50 stations as class 1 stations with world-class facilities and said that 309 stations will be undertaken for further development. One doctor will be provided in long-distance trains and passengers will be able to reserve their ticket through mobiles. Ministry will set up 3,000 new terminals throughout the country and air-conditioned railways with double-decker system will be introduced within a short span of time. Railway Minister informed that public-private partnership mode will continue in executing future policies. Infotainment facilities will be introduced in Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express. 200 ATMs will be started on various railway stations. Banerjee confirmed of starting fast parcel services in trains. The Railway Minister introduced the scheme Izzat, which will cater to the low income earning section of the society.
Now इज्जत, मैडम हर आदमी इज्जत से जीना चाहते हैं। जिंदगी का सफर तो इज्जत से ही शुरू होता है। रेल का सफर भी एक जिंदगी का सफर है। मैंने चाहती हूँ कि हर आदमी हमारी रेल पर इज्जत से सफर करे। इसीलिए गरीब से गरीब को भी इज्जत से सफर करने के लिए एक तोहफा देने चाहती हूँ। I therefore announce a new scheme called Izzat. Under this scheme, a uniformly priced monthly season ticket of rupees 25 would be available free of all surcharges for travel up to 100 kilometers for members of the unorganized sector with monthly income not exceeding rupees 1,500. This will give lakhs of people in our country a chance to travel on rail with dignity. These schemes will be implemented with the cooperation of the MPs. So you have got a good work.
Press correspondents will get a concession of 50% while travelling alone. Once in a year, this concession will be extended to his family. Banerjee explained the proposed Turant service of railways, in which trains will cover the scheduled destinations without any stop for the first time in the history of Indian Railways. Ladies special trains during peak hours and UR trains, trains for youth, will be also introduced very shortly.
मैडम पीक आवर्स में लेडीज को बहुत दिक्कत होता है, इसी के लिए लेडीज स्पेशल हम लोग अभी मुंबई में जो चल रहा है वो हम कलकत्ता, चेन्नई और दिल्ली में भी चलाएंगे ऑफिस टाइम में. इट विल बी ओनली लेडीज स्पेशल ड्यूरिंग द पीक आवर्स. नाउ मैडम आई एम कमिंग टू द ट्रेन सर्विसेज. छोटा छोटा the young generation is our asset and we are proud of them. I will run Juba trains dedicated to the youth generation. The Juba trains. The train will provide air-conditioned seated accommodation. The fare will be rupees 299 for distances up to 1,500 kilometers and rupees 399 for distances up to 2,500 kilometers. A pilot services will be within the 3 months. The pilot services will be Mumbai to Delhi and Delhi to Calcutta. If it is successful, it will be extended all over the country. Madam, after Izzat, student and press concession, ladies